This is a short video about how to wire or how to troubleshoot a fan coil chill water. This is most of the time 110 volts between line 1 and line 2. We have 110 volts. Basically, there's only three components. One is the EFM that has 1, 2, 3 speeds, which is low, medium, and high speed. We also have a cooling actuator, which is what open the chill water for the system to cool. And we also have a heat relay with sometimes 2 kW or 5 kW heat. All of them, if you see line 1, which is the neutral, in some cases is a white wire, which is also line 1 is the neutral, is connected to one side of the fan motor, one side of the actuator, and one side of the heat relay. The other side of the motor are the different speeds, whether it's low, whether it's medium, or whether it's high. All they are doing is cutting the black wire. This black wire here is cut through the speeds, like a fan switch. Let's say if you put it on low, it's nothing else the line 2, which is a black wire. You see here black line 2. Basically, if you choose low, the power comes on line 2, goes to the low speed, and then the low speed comes to the fan motor, and the other side is already energized, which is the letter N, which is the white. So as soon as you put either low, either medium, or either high, normally low is a red wire, normally medium is a blue wire, normally high is a black wire. All they doing is like a switch, 1, 2, 3. The switch can be in any of these positions according to the speed that you want. The cool actuator, they call it an actuator, normally is 110 volts. It can be 24, but it's 110 in this case. All they doing is using one wire in most cases. Believe it or not, it's a yellow wire, one side. When you put the cool switch, it's like closing the yellow wire to the actuator. The other side of the actuator is the neutral. See, comes right here. It's a white wire one side, and the other side is the yellow wire through the cool switch. Now on the heat relay, sometimes they can use an orange color. It doesn't have to be, but most of the time that's what they use for heat. One side is neutral. This is for the heat relay, and the other side is an orange wire, which is cut through the heat switch. The heat switch also comes, if you follow, from line 2. So the cool switch and the heat relay is coming from the line 2 through a switch, whether it is a cool switch or is a heat switch. One is an actuator, the other is a heat relay. They can use a contactor sometimes, but remember, this contactor or this heat relay is 115 volt coil. 115 volt coil. The actuator is 115 volt coil also. That's okay. You have to make sure that you have those two controls, which are 115 volts. I hope this help you. This is most of the time what we use on a fan coil chill water. Most of those buildings that we service have a fan coil chill water, 110 volts. If you have any questions, you can ask it on the channel, or you can call me. You have my number. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.